You know what?
What?
Mommy was hungry last night, and Mommy ate all of your Halloween candy.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry. Why are you crying?
Because you ate all my candy.
Oh, I'm sorry, Baba. I was really hungry.
No.
I'm sorry.
I want more candy now.
Okay. Sorry, Papa. Here's all your
Wait a minute,
candy.
you did not.
Here's your candy.
No.
Sorry, Baba.